Are you ready to hear about the latest updates from the extraterrestrial world? Ukrainian scientists have reported an increase in unidentified flying object activity over the capital of Kiev, leading to speculation of what this could mean for humanity. We are here to discuss the potential implications of this news and provide information on what could be causing the surge of UFO activity. With this in mind, let us explore the possibilities of what is going on in the extraterrestrial realm. Recent reports of UFO activity have been monitored since the beginning of the year. The sightings have been mainly spotted during the night, with orange and red lights moving across the sky. This is a sharp contrast to the usual cluster of stars and planets in the night sky. Astronomers in Ukraine claim there are numerous UFO sightings over Kiev. This year has seen a lot of activity in Ukraine's airspace. That is how war is. But when they look to the skies, scientists across the nation notice something unexpected. According to a recent preprint paper released by Kiev's main astronomical observatory in collaboration with the nation's National Academy of Science, there are an excessive number of UFOs in the sky. Although the Pentagon in the United States has long hinted, speculated, and warned that some UFOs may be cutting-edge military technology from foreign militaries, particularly China and Russia, though it hasn't really provided any evidence this is actually the case, the paper does not specifically address the war. The Ukraine paper is particularly noteworthy because it explains why there have been so many sightings in addition to demonstrating how science has continued to advance during the conflict. The study concluded that we see them everywhere. We notice a sizable number of things whose nature is unclear. Whatever they may be, UFOs definitely are not hypersonic weapons, unidentified aerial phenomena. Events are observed using data from the main astronomical observatory of the NAS in Kiev and Vinarivka, a village south of Kiev. The authors of the paper claim that because of the interest in the topic, observatories decided to take on the task of looking for UFOs as a separate project. It describes a particular kind of UFO known as phantoms, which are defined as objects that have a completely black body and do not emit or absorb all the radiation falling on them. The researchers also noted that it was challenging to capture images of the UFOs they were seeing due to their rapid movement. The paper stated that the eye does not fix phenomena lasting less than 1/10 of a second. Recognizing an event takes 4/10 of a second. The unidentified aerial phenomenon will also not be captured by standard photo and video recordings. You must adjust the camera's shutter speed, frame rate, and dynamic range in order to detect UAP. So, using 2 meteor monitoring stations in Kiev and Vinarivka, the researchers did just that. According to the paper, we have developed a unique observation technique, taking into account the high speeds of the observed objects. The exposure time was selected to ensure that the object's image did not significantly change during exposure. The frame rate was chosen with the object's speed and the camera's field of view in mind. In actual use, the frame rate was at least 50 Hz, and the exposure time was less than 1 millisecond. The researchers separated the phenomena they saw into 2 groups, cosmics and phantoms. We observe that cosmics are luminous objects that shine brighter than the sky's backdrop. Swift, Falcon, and Eagle are the names we give these ships, according to the newspaper. While phantoms are objects that are dark and have a contrast of only a few to about 50%. For a regular dose of our original reporting and behind-the-scenes information about our biggest stories, subscribe to Motherboard's daily newsletter. The cameras, which were placed roughly 75 miles apart, allowed the researchers to repeatedly observe unusual objects moving in the sky. The paper simply noted the observations and mentioned the objects' incredible speeds. It made no assumptions about what the objects were. According to the study, flights of individual, group, and squadrons of the ships were detected, moving at speeds from 3 to 15 degrees per second. At altitudes of up to 10 to 12 kilometers, ghosts have been spotted in the troposphere. Their estimated size ranges from 3 to 12 meters, and they can move at up to 15 kilometers per hour. The simple explanation would be that these are rockets, missiles, or some other weapon used in the conflict. However, the scientists insist that it is not clear what they are. After several sightings were documented on camera by Navy pilots, UFOs have once again gained public attention. The Pentagon responded to Congress's requests for information by stating that it had observed some odd phenomena but needed more time and resources to properly investigate them. Congress granted them both, and the Pentagon activated the AARO to investigate the mysterious celestial objects. The Pentagon's new office needs to concentrate on UFOs that aren't man-made, according to a recent addendum in a Senate Intelligence Budget report that stated that the threat of UFOs was growing exponentially. The paper's principal investigator, Boris Ziliev, declined to comment. Extraterrestrial worlds are an intriguing concept for many. Estimations suggest that there are billions of galaxies in the universe, and each of these galaxies may contain billions of stars. It is highly likely that some of these stars have planets orbiting them, and it is possible that some of those planets may have life on them. Our technology has advanced to the point where we may soon have the capacity to explore and detect signs of life on distant planets. This possibility of life outside of Earth is an exciting one, and it is hoped that further research and exploration of the universe will result in the discovery of new planets and life forms. Considering the sheer size and scale of the universe, the possibility of life outside of our own planet is an exciting prospect. With our continual advances in technology and space exploration, we are able to probe the mysteries of our universe and search for evidence of life beyond Earth. The exploration of alien environments is certain to bring with it a wealth of knowledge and understanding of our universe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and watch other interesting videos in our channel.